You let emotions cloud your judgment. Imagine staying calm when others panic. Ever wondered how to see clearly, even in chaos? I don't rely on feelings, I rely on logic. Being emotionally detached isn't cold, it's a strategy for winning. If you're ready to master your emotions and see the world as it is, not as it feels, stay with me. Let's redefine what it means to stay rational and objective. Emotional detachment isn't about ignoring your feelings. It's about controlling them before they control you. Emotions cloud logic. When you remove them, you see the truth. Start by questioning why you feel the way you do. Often, the answer reveals more about the situation than the feeling itself. People lose because they react. Decisions driven by anger or fear are often flawed. I approach every situation by asking, what makes sense here? Emotions can be noisy, but rationality speaks quietly. Learn to listen. Feelings are vulnerabilities. When someone knows what angers or excites you, they can manipulate you. By staying detached, you protect yourself from becoming predictable. This isn't just defense, it's power. When you feel your emotions rising, stop. Breathe. Count to 10 if needed. In that pause, ask yourself, what's my goal here? Reacting emotionally is impulsive. Acting rationally is strategic. Practice emotional detachment in daily situations. Traffic, arguments, disappointments. If you can master calmness in small challenges, bigger conflicts will feel manageable. Being detached doesn't mean being cold or indifferent. You can empathize without internalizing. Feel, but don't let those feelings dictate your actions. That's the balance. When people can't read your emotions, they fill the gaps with their assumptions. This gives you control. Let them think what they want, while you maintain clarity. Emotions anchor you to the present moment. Detachment lets you think ahead. Ask yourself, will this matter in a week, a year? Most things won't. Keep that perspective. In tense situations, emotions fuel the fire. I focus on facts and solutions. When you remain calm and logical, you'll find people naturally defer to you, even in heated debates. Watch how others let emotions ruin them. Whether it's in an argument or a negotiation, observe what triggers them. Their weaknesses teach you what to avoid in yourself. Ego thrives on emotions, pride, anger, envy. Let go of the need to prove yourself. Detachment isn't about winning arguments, it's about achieving your goals efficiently. Detachment requires discipline. It's not always easy to stay calm. Meditate, reflect, and train your mind daily. Your mental strength will define your success. When emotions rise, people often feel the need to justify their actions. Don't. Silence conveys control. Let others try to figure you out while you focus on what matters. Most people react emotionally, making them predictable. By staying detached, you become harder to read. This gives you the upper hand in negotiations, relationships, and conflicts. When you're not tied to emotions, you're free. Free to act, think, and decide without bias. Freedom is power, and detachment is the key. Empathy helps you understand others, but attachment clouds your perspective. Feel for others, but don't tie your decisions to their emotions. This is how you stay rational. Your environment matters. If you're around chaos, it's harder to stay detached. Choose calm, rational people who reinforce your mindset, not challenge it. Not every battle is worth fighting. Detachment gives you the clarity to see when to let go. Walking away is sometimes the most powerful move. Success isn't about feeling good, it's about achieving goals. When you measure success by clarity and results, emotions lose their power over you. Detachment isn't instant, it's a skill. Like any skill, it requires repetition. Train daily. Each time you pause, reflect, and act rationally, you're becoming stronger. Emotional detachment isn't about being unfeeling. It's about staying clear-headed in a chaotic world. Control your emotions and you control your life. Remember, rationality is power. Be elite. Stay elite.